Happy Friday, happy holidays, and Merry Christmas to those who are celebrating. I want to share this special meditation gift with you to bring you blessings of abundance in all areas of your life. It's the same practice that we shared together the other day, but this time I will have a link to YouTube for you, so it'll be easier to click on it and go to it daily to do your practice. I'm going to do the practice today using an oil. I always use oils in my meditation. And the other day when I did this practice with you, I had put the oils on before, and then I had a lot of questions from the meditation practice I shared with you all. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how I do this meditation, then do the meditation with you. And I will also have the link to YouTube below this video, so it'll be easy for you to access, to practice this. Remember, for 40 days, to allow this true transformation to happen to you and to receive all the blessings of abundance and to have that heart and the mind and body connection of fulfillment. Practice for 40 days. And if, again, 11 minutes is too long, start with 3 minutes, work up to 7, then work up to 11. So the way that I start my meditation practice is I take the oil of choice. And today I'm going to use frankincense, and that's an oil I use very often to meditate. Just take one drop in the palm of your hands. I'm going to warm my hands together and then cup my hands over my nose and take 3 deep inhales and 3 exhales. This helps to trigger the relaxation to the brain so that we can get into that relaxed mode for meditation. And it's also very grounding. You can use whichever oil is your favorite for meditation. Today, I'm just using frankincense. That's the one that my heart is drawn to. The meditation, to review it again, is Satanama Ramadasa Sa Se So Hum. And we're tapping our fingertips together with the thumb. So the pointer first, middle, ring, and then pinky. So it goes Satanama Ramadasa Sa Se So Hum. And the first part, Satanama, actually removes the negativity from our mind, our heart, and our lives. And then the Ramadasa, Sa Se So Hum, brings in the blessings of abundance, the blessings of fulfillment in body, mind, and spirit. So let's get started. And again, when you're practicing on your own, if you need to do 3 minutes, work up to 7, work up to 11, minimum every day for 40 days. To practice it and be committed to it, pick the same time every day. And one more quick thing before I put the music on. Take your hands, warm them together, close your eyes. Press your thumbs into your heart center. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Set an intention for what you want from this meditation practice. Whatever the blessings are of abundance, fulfillment, take a moment and pause and set that intention. Take your hands down on top of your knees. Go into Gyan Mudra. I'll start the music. If you need to follow me with your eyes open in the beginning, please do. But once you're ready, close your eyes and move your fingers with the music and the mantra. And if it's comfortable, roll your eyes up and then focus on the third eye. If that's not comfortable, just keep your eyes closed. Satanama Ramanasa Sase Soham 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 Satanama Ramanasa Sase Soham
Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa Sase Soham Satanama Ramadasa
Pause for a moment. Feel the vibration of the mantra flowing through you. Put a big smile on your face. Take your hands together, rub them in front of your heart center. Press your thumbs into your heart center and take a deep inhale. Exhale. We will close this meditation with a short Sat Nam. And Sat Nam means, I honor the truth and the light in me, and I honor the truth and the light in you. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. And inhale to begin. Sat Nam. Light to all, peace to all, love to all. Sat Nam. I wish you an abundance of blessings in all areas of your heart and more, from my heart to yours.